Good morning everybody, I hope you're getting on well. Welcome to your first online phonics lesson. Now it's going to be a little bit different than we would usually do it in school because you're not in front of me just now, but we're still going to do the same kinds of things we would do in our usual phonics lessons. So you can take your time through this video, you can pause it, you can rewind it, or you can watch it all over again when you are finished as well. Whatever you need to do to help you learn our new sound this week. So let's find out what our new sound is going to be. Our new sound of the week this week is O. Your turn. O. And have a little think. We already learned a special friend's O sound. We have already learned a special friend's O sound before. Can you have a think what that O sound is? How do we spell the one we already know? So see if you can spot the O sound we've already learned from the list here. Can you see it? Yeah, it's this one here. We've already learned blow the snow. But the one we are going to learn today is spelled differently. So it's the same sound, the O sound, but it has a different spelling. This is the O sound that we are going to be working on this week. O. 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 Can you think of any words that have O in them? And whilst you're having a little think, I have somebody that I've brought home to see you as well. I brought Fred along, and his helpful thinking helmet is sort of fallen off his head a little bit, so we'll put that back on. So can we say good morning to Fred? And he says hello. Hello. Because remember, Fred can only speak in sounds. So Fred is going to Fred talk some words for us, and then if you Fred talk them back to me, and then we can say the word. So my turn, then your turn. T-O-D. And that makes the word toad. Oak. And that makes the word oak. O-D. Excellent. And that makes the word road. Well done. Okay, let's try 2 more words before we move on. O-T. And that makes the word throat. R-O-S-T. And that makes the word roast. Excellent, well done. Okay, so let's have another look at our sound. So we've got the O sound, and we've looked at some O words. So let's flip the card. On the other side, we've got a goat in a boat. And those words rhyme as well. They have the same ending. So if I show you this side of the card, can you say goat in a boat? And if I show you this side of the card, can you say O? Ready? One last one. Excellent, well done. Okay, so now it's time for some super speedy sounds. So we need to take our O sound and we need to put it in the pack of sounds that we have already learnt. So remember, when you see our O sound come up in the pack, I want you to point at it before you tell me the next sound. And remember to say the O sound at the same time. Ready? Well done. Let's speed it up a little bit. Do 2 more. Okay, 1 more. Excellent, well done. Super speedy sounds. I think we're ready to read some words now. So I'm going to show you some green word cards, and when I show you them, I'm going to ask if it has special friends, and I want you to tell me what the special friends are. So remember, a sound has special friends if it has 2 or more letters. So does that make our O sound special friends? Yes, our O sound has special friends because it has 2 letters that make 1 sound. So when I show you the card, tell me the special friends first, and when I push it forward, that's when I want you to say it out loud. So try to use Fred in your head if you can. So remember that's sounding out in your head, but if you need to, we can sound out loud as well. We can use our Fred talk. Ready? First word, special friends. So the special friends are O, G, O, T, goat. Special friends. Good. So special friends are O, B, O, T. Special friends. Excellent. Special friends O, T, O, st. Toast. Special friends. Special friends O, O, D. Road. Special friends. There's 2 in this word, isn't there? So we've got special friends O, but we've also got special friends th. So when we sound out this word, O, T, throat. Excellent. And last one just now, special friends. Excellent. Special friends O, K, O, T. Well done. So now we're ready to do some spelling with our Fred fingers. So remember, we are counting out the sounds in a word. So let's do the first one together to remind ourselves what to do. So we need our fingers, and the word that we're going to start with is coat. So let's count the sounds in the word coat. So this is where it can help to stretch the word out so we can hear all of the sounds. K, O, T, coat. So there's 3 sounds in the word coat. K, O, T, coat. Excellent. So let's try another one. So this time you count out the sounds, and when I say fingers, hold your fingers up, and we'll see if we counted the same amount of sounds. Ready? Let's do the word oak, like an oak tree. Oak. Ready? Fingers. Let's count, let's say the sounds out loud. Oak, O-k, oak. Excellent. 2 sounds in the word oak. Let's try a different word. So this word that we're going to do now is the word coach. So count out the sounds on your fingers. Stretch the word out if you need to. You can pause this video as well to give you more time. Ready? Fingers. Let's say the sounds in the word coach. K-O-ch. What do we notice about that word? It's got special friends O, but it's also got special friends ch at the end. K-O-ch. Let's do one more word on our Fred fingers for the O sound. This word is throat. So this is a bit of a longer word. So take your time, sound it out, stretch it if you need to so you can hear the sounds. I'm going to count the sounds now. Ready? Fingers. Excellent. Let's count them out. Let's sound them out together. Th-o-t. Throat. Th-o-t. Throat. And that word also has two lots of special friends. It has th and it has o. Well done. Well done, everybody. We've come to the end of our O sound lesson. So the last thing we need to do is say, I can say and spell the O sound. And you can say this back to me, or you can say it to somebody if there's anybody beside you as well. So now that we're finished our sound lesson, make sure you go and have a look at your groups page, your groups document on the Teams page, and you can complete one of those activities that I have put on there, or you can go and have a look on SomeDog, as I've put a spelling challenge on there as well for your O words. I'll see you soon, everybody. Well done. Bye.